Hey, welcome back to the channel. Let me ask you, are you finding it hard to stand out on YouTube? This groundbreaking AI technology makes it easy to create and promote videos. Watch as we unveil the secrets to instant YouTube success. Let's dive into the review of the Emerald app. We will cover all the points and see the advantages you can enjoy. Make sure you stay till the end of this review, as I will also be showing you the demo of the Emerald app and how you can get a discount as well. To get the discount, use Emerald 3 for $3 off. Also, if at any point you want to check out the Emerald app, go ahead and click the link in the description below. All the details of OTOs, upsells, and discounts are included in the description as well. Right now we are at the sales page of the Emerald app. So what is the Emerald app? Emerald is a cutting-edge AI tool that streamlines the YouTube channel creation process. It leverages artificial intelligence to automate video generation, traffic boosting, and monetization, enabling users to build successful channels quickly and easily, regardless of their background or expertise. Also, here are the extra bonuses worth more than $8,000 that you will be getting from my end if you decide to purchase it from the link given in the description below. You might have seen these people online. These people are generating hundreds of thousands of leads and making millions of dollars just by uploading content on YouTube regularly. Now let's jump to some amazing features of the Emerald app. First is automated channels in 60 seconds. Built-in AI-powered video creator. 100 plus templates to choose from. Intuitive drag and drop interface. Works with voice prompts or keywords. Hundreds of stock assets included for free. Newbie-friendly interface. App works on all popular devices. All major third-party integrations supported. And a lot more features that you can see on the screen. All at a fraction of $17. It is a low one-time offer. Also, they have a 365-day money-back guarantee. So if this tool doesn't work for you, you can return it to the developer. So it's totally risk-free. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity. Take action now and secure your future success with the Emerald app while enjoying my incredible bonuses. Now it's time for OTOs and upsell. Emerald front end for $14.95. The first OTO is Emerald Unlimited Edition for $147. Second OTO is Done for You Setup for $297. Third OTO is Autopilot Edition for $39. Fourth OTO is 200 Done for You Campaigns Edition for $39. Lastly, the fifth OTO is Emerald Franchisee Edition for $197. If you're looking to improve your sales and achieve unparalleled success in your sales efforts, then the Emerald app is the tool for you. Lots of bonuses are waiting for you, so make your decision fast. With this revolutionary technology, you must take action now to be one of the first ones to dominate your market. Thank you so much for checking out my Emerald app review. If you want to take a look at it, go ahead and click the link in the description below, where you can get all the exclusive bonuses as well. Lastly, as always, thank you so much for watching my review. See you in the next video.
Fearless.